Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZaf channel. Are you ready to experience supersport performance in a lightweight package? Meet the 2026 Honda CBR250RR, the quarter-liter rocket that's redefining what a 250 cubic centimeters motorcycle can do. This isn't just another entry-level bike, it's a precision-built machine designed to thrill, with aggressive styling, cutting-edge tech, and razor-sharp handling that punches way above its weight class. The 2026 model brings subtle refinements over its predecessor, including updated fairings for better aerodynamics, sharper LED lighting, and a refreshed TFT display that now offers smartphone connectivity. With a more aggressive front fascia and a leaner tail section, this bike screams performance from every angle, turning heads whether you're carving corners or parked at the coffee shop. Under the hood, or rather the tank, the CBR250RR features a 249 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine with DOHC and liquid cooling. It delivers around 41 horsepower at 13,000 RPM and 25 Newton-meters of torque at 11,000 RPM. That might sound modest on paper, but this engine revs like a beast and pulls hard all the way to the red line. With ride-by-wire throttle and selectable riding modes, you get a level of control and performance rarely seen in this category. Handling is where the CBR250RR truly shines. Thanks to its lightweight chassis, inverted front forks, and a monoshock rear suspension, it corners like it's on rails. Whether you're navigating tight twisties or hitting your local track day, this bike feels composed, agile, and confidence-inspiring. The slipper clutch adds to the premium feel, helping to smooth downshifts and making spirited riding even more enjoyable. Honda didn't skimp on safety or tech either. Dual-channel ABS is standard, and the quick shifter, available on higher trims, lets you shift up without the clutch for a more aggressive ride. The full-color TFT display is easy to read, even under direct sunlight, and gives you all the info you need, from gear position to fuel economy. As for the price, the 2026 Honda CBR250RR is expected to land in the US market at around $7,000 to $7,500, depending on the trim and accessories. That positions it competitively against other entry-level sport bikes, especially when you consider the premium features, performance, and aggressive styling packed into this machine. It's not the cheapest 250 out there, but it's arguably the most refined and race-ready. So, is the 2026 Honda CBR250RR worth it? If you're looking for a bike that's light, fast, stylish, and packed with features, absolutely. Whether you're a beginner with a need for speed or a seasoned rider wanting a fun weekend ripper, this bike brings serious value and unmatched adrenaline in the 250 cubic centimeters class. Don't let the small displacement fool you. This bike is built to thrill.